Hula Roots is honored to be invited to the Nama Harvest Tea this year. Relaunch in effect. Look for our new merchandise this holiday season.
Hey loves, Hula Roots is in relaunch mode. We're serving new online alkaline programs, on-demand hoop yogini classes, and our first tea blend for Serving Tea with Love, just in time for the holidays. Tap in at hularoots.com, join the email list, and get exclusive discounts.
Serving Tea with Love last Tuesday of the month on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe and become part of the I Louve Tea Tribe. I hope that you've planned on joining in the fanciest teapot contest today. Serving Tea with Love has been evoking the primal healer within for the last 5 years, and we are now coming out with our new tea blend for the holidays. By signing up for our email list at hularoots.com, you'll be privy to exclusive discounts and all newsletter information. Consider being a gardener right inside of your apartment or bringing your outside garden in your home all year long with the Towel Garden aeroponic system. I am your Towel Garden representative. All links are at the end of the video. Here is your health awareness list for the month of November and your November tea list for lung health. This tea list includes a tea blend you can use to keep your lungs clear for this holiday season, and a tea and movement ritual to help keep you grounded. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Serving Tea with Love, Nama Harvest Tea Edition. Until we tea again. Today's highlighted tea is Mushroom Chai from Mushroom Queens, also located at the Union Square Farmers Market on Saturdays.